A heated exchange has erupted between Senator Ali Ndume and presidential media aide Onanuga after Ndume criticized political appointments made by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. During an interview on Arise TV, Senator Ndume, who represents Borno South, said President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's appointments were not balanced. In response, Mr. Onanuga called Ndume's comments hypocritical and selective. This didn't sit well with Senator Ndume. Speaking on Channels Television, he fired back, saying Onanuga is acting like a senior domestic servant to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Ndume said Onanuga is just 2 years older than him and should act more with maturity.
2 years older than me. I don't know about his qualification, but I know he was a good journalist that spoke truth to power, that he had to even run away. So when somebody like me, who is a senator, speaks like this, then he uses the language, I can only say it's very unfortunate. But I have no reason to be, hypocritic, to be selective, or whatever he called me. Instead, he is the one. Because you know what? I have been a senator, this is the 4th time. He tried to be a senator, he could
16
not.
years.
Yes. He tried to be senator, even at the first time, he couldn't make it. Who is more frustrated? He has ended up being a domestic staff of
He's
Mr.
not a
President.
domestic, he's a special advisor to the president.
Yeah, it's domestic.
That's a senior role. That's not a domestic.
No, even if you're senior, there is senior domestic servant.
No, how do you describe, is your judge?
The clash has sparked mixed reactions online, especially among political stakeholders, party members, and social media users, where users reacted with humor, criticism, and support for both sides. Some users praised Ndume's boldness, calling him fearless, while others mocked Onanuga for what they saw as blind loyalty to the president. A few defended Onanuga, criticizing Ndume for not focusing on issues in his home state like insecurity. This isn't the first time political leaders have clashed publicly, but this exchange has added more attention to the current political climate in Nigeria. What do you think about Ndume's comment? We'd like to know in the comment box section below, as we continue to supply you more updates as this story develops. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.